Do you know that changing just some few words on your YouTube channel can actually be the difference between your video getting a lot of views and engagement and your video totally flopping and not getting a lot of views here on YouTube? By the end of this video, you are going to find out about a lot of upload mistakes that are actually affecting your YouTube channel and leading to low views on your YouTube channel. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, make sure to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first mistake that a lot of YouTubers make is by not engaging with the commenters on their YouTube videos. And this is actually very important, because when you are engaging with people that are commenting on your videos, you're actually doubling and tripling your comment count on that video. And apart from it actually sending positive signals to the YouTube algorithm, you're actually building some sort of like friendship with these viewers that are watching your video. And that way, the next time that they will see you on their YouTube feed, they will probably want to watch your video, because you know you guys have been chatting once in a while in the comment section, so they already know you. So whenever they see you, there's this familiarity, so they will want to also watch your next video. So that is actually something that you should be doing. So if you are one of those YouTubers that will just upload on YouTube and then you disappear for hours without even checking your comments, you need to stop that habit now and start commenting and engaging with your commenters, especially if you are a new YouTuber here on YouTube that is just trying to start up as well. The second mistake is that you might be uploading at the wrong time on YouTube. And once you're uploading at the wrong time, you might actually be getting low views on your YouTube channel. And in order for you to see the right time for you to upload where your viewers are actually active, all you have to do is just open your YouTube Studio app, which I'm about to do right now. And then once you open the app, all you have to do now is just click on Analytics. So once you click on that, you are going to see another section that is called Audience at the top. You can see it right here. So all you have to do is just click on that. So once you click on that, you are going to see this section here that says when your viewers are on YouTube. All you have to do is click on it, and then it's going to open up. So in here, you'll be able to see when your viewers are actually super active here on YouTube. So you can see some sections that are very purple. So you can see those sections. So those sections are the time that my viewers are super active. So the other ones that are faded, you can see some colors that are faded. That actually is the time when my viewers are not active. So you can also do the same thing. You can go to your YouTube Studio and then you check on this section also on your YouTube Studio, so that you can find out the right time that your viewers are active on your channel, so you can be uploading on a daily basis at that time, so you can be getting better performance on your YouTube videos. And also, if you are to come to this section on your YouTube Studio app and you are seeing that it's not unlocked yet, or you are just seeing some stuff that is not this thing that you are seeing on my own screen right now, then all you have to do is just keep uploading videos on your YouTube channel, and sooner or later they are going to unlock this section for you, so you can use it to be picking out time to be uploading your YouTube videos on your YouTube channel. Mistake number 3 is by not adding keywords to your description and your title when you're uploading. And this is actually very important, and at the same time it's quite easy to do. So if you want to add keywords to your description, all you have to do is just ask ChatGPT or ask Meta AI to give you a description for your title that is filled with a lot of keywords. And once you do that, it's going to give you that kind of description that is perfect for your video. So all you have to do is just copy it and then apply it while you're uploading your video. And this is actually going to help the YouTube algorithm to better understand your video and push your video to the right audience, leading to better views for that video once you are done uploading. So me myself, I use this trick pretty much all the time on all my videos, and right now I'm having just 200 subscribers, but I'm having a lot of views. So I can guarantee you for a fact that this trick actually works. Mistake number 4 is forgetting to add end screen on each and every one of your YouTube video. And if you are not already doing that, you are going to be missing out on a lot of views on your YouTube channel, because this is actually very important. So when you're uploading your videos, always make sure that you are adding a related video at the end of each and every one of that video, so that you'll be able to turn one view into 2 to 3 views. What actually means a situation where someone will come to your channel and want to watch one video, and before you know it, they will end up watching like 4 to 5 videos, because they are all connected with end screen. So this is actually very important, especially if you are monetized on YouTube and you want to make a lot of money here on YouTube and increase your YouTube revenue, because we all know that the more people are watching your videos, the more money you'll be making on YouTube. So always make sure that you are utilizing end screen if you are not utilizing end screen yet, so that you can be increasing the views on your video by moving your viewers from one video to another, and thereby you are also going to be increasing your channel revenue. Also, before I forget, if you don't know how to utilize end screen, then you don't need to worry. All you have to do is just watch this video at the end of this video, because I'm going to suggest it at the end of this video as well, so that you can easily access it, so you can learn on how to utilize end screen to get maximum results here on YouTube. The fifth and last mistake is by uploading your YouTube videos on public. If you actually want to take YouTube very, very seriously, then I will advise that you start unlisting your videos or scheduling your videos. This is super important, because apart from it helping YouTube to fully analyze your videos so you can push it to the right audience and also push it to a wider audience, it will also give you the time to take breaks, because once you have scheduled a lot of videos on your YouTube channel, or rather you have unlisted a lot of videos on your YouTube channel, you can start taking days off to rest, because as a creator you need to also make sure that once in a while you are taking care of your health. Sometimes it's not every day that you just be shooting and shooting and shooting. Every single day you are shooting videos, so sometimes you also take days off, and on that your day off you already have videos scheduled on your YouTube channel, rather unlisted, so you can just publish that video so that your audience can watch that video while you are resting, so you don't burn out when you are doing YouTube. So this is another trick that you can also be using. You can list your video, or you can schedule your video. So once you start applying all the tricks, or rather applying everything that I've said on this video, I'm definitely sure that you are going to start seeing better results on your YouTube channel. Do you know that all successful YouTubers all have 5 habits that make growing on YouTube super easy for them? If you don't know that by now, then you are snoozing on a very important update, and I advise that you watch this video at the end of this video, so that you can learn these habits and start applying it on your YouTube career, so that you can start seeing game changer results here on YouTube. And like I said, I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take our time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.